Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD in front of us right now, and as you can see, the GBPUSD is right now trading at 1.3020. This is the current market price, and as we have been talking about this support zone for quite some time, and we can see that overall market has been respecting this level also. But the problem is that market has already tested this level too many times. You can see that once, twice and thrice, three times. And as we all know that if we find market testing a level too many times, then the level loses its strength. Whether it is support or resistance doesn't matter, the level loses its strength if market tests the level too many times. And the most important thing that we need to observe here is that whenever market is going up or whenever GBP USD is going up, it is not breaking the previous highs in the market. Rather, other market is forming lower highs in the market. Market is constantly forming lower highs. So lower highs signify the rise in number of sellers in the market. So as a result, there is a possibility that at one point market may break the support and market may go down as well. So if you already have a buy position on GBPUSD, then I'll say that continue with the buy position. Okay, if you have a buy position, continue with the buy position as long as market does not break this support level, be on the trade. But if you are looking for a fresh opportunity or fresh buying entry into the market, then I'll say that you can go for scalping, but do not have high hopes on GBPUSD right now. As long as we do not have any fundamental factor, any news to support the up move of GBPUSD, GBPUSD will remain under pressure. If you look at the chart of DXY also, okay, we can see that DXY is flying, trading above 100 again. So probably DXY is marching towards 100.50, 100.80 level. So overall things are not very good for GBPUSD. So I think that it is better to avoid GBPUSD if you are looking for a long position for 2 days or 3 days. But if you are looking for some scalping opportunity, then yes, obviously you can go for a buy. Whenever market will be testing this level, you can go for a buy and you can exit after 15 pips, 10 pips. But overall the chart looks bearish. The chart says that selling pressure is increasing. So I'll say that buyers should be careful right now. Okay. In case market breaks the support and market goes down, then you can also go for selling. But keep in mind that do not go for sell immediately. This is market. Okay, market is full of false breakouts. So a trader must know how to protect. So wait for some time and see. If market goes down also, wait for some time and see. If you after a few hours, if you see that selling pressure is high enough, selling pressure is continuing, then you can go for a sell. Otherwise avoid. Okay, but as of now, I'll just request you to observe the market. Okay, observe the market because market is constantly forming lower highs. Okay, in case market goes up also, okay, in case market goes up also, then the 50 moving average, yeah, the 50 moving average that you can see here on the chart is acting or will be acting as the dynamic resistance. So after 1 day or 2 days, if market goes up also, you can expect some selling or reversal from the 50 moving average as well. So as of now, I'll just say that you should be on the wait and watch mode on GBPUSD as of now. So this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow proper risk management. Okay, I'm not coming tomorrow. I'll see you day after tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.